Hello, friends. What's up, guys? The brand will be where you are on my YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Anytime that I will upload a new video, you will be the first person to get my video. And today I want to give you some app called 50 Coins. And this app is very fun. I used it for a while and it helped me to get over tens of dollars into my PayPal account free. So I want to show you how it works. First of all, you download this app on your phone. Then make sure that you click the link that I have given to you, the link on the description, the link in the description, and download the app. Don't forget to use my code to get free 50 coins for free, yes. You could, if you use my code, you get 6 coins to start making free money. So you get how this app works is you just download app on your in the app that you download 50 coins, then you use it for a couple of minutes, you get your reward. Then you can redeem your coins for reward with even free apps, iTunes, Amazon, Swagbucks, PayPal Cash, and more. You can receive money through this system. And if you don't have PayPal account, don't worry. Just leave a comment. I will show you how to get free money, PayPal account, and start get money. And another way to get free money is to friends to this site and get free PayPal money. So is that if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because I do upload a good video how to start making money. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video that I'm making for you. Thank you.